Handling mistakes with positive language. Mistakes are not the problem, not at all. It's your reaction to the mistake that becomes the problem. Every athlete, no matter what level, whether they're high school, collegiate, or professional, they all make mistakes. Don't worry, you're not alone. Mistakes happen. And great athletes, which can be you, respond fast. You recover fast and you reset fast. When you talk to yourself in a positive language, it helps you become that great athlete too. Let me show you how it works. All right. Your old thought, oh, this is embarrassing. Your new thought, everyone makes mistakes. Shake it off. Old thought, coach is mad at me. New thought, coach wants effort. I can give it my all. Old thought, I always do this. I mess up. New thought, I can adjust quickly. Next rep, next play, I've got this. Old thought, I'm letting my team down. New thought, I play competitively. The next play is going to be great. Positive language does not ignore the fact that a mistake was made. Not at all. It teaches your brain how to move past a mistake because the mistakes are what frees us and make us create another mistake after another one. So here is a moment you probably know. You strike out. Your teammate says, it's fine. But your mind says, no, it's not. I am terrible. So pause, take a breath, shift your language. My timing was off. Next bat, I've got this. I can adjust. I can get on base. Another example, you miss or you lose a defender. Old thought, dang it, I blew it. New thought, recover, sprint back, next play. Here's another one. You drop a pass. Old thought, don't throw it to me again. Obviously, I can't catch. New thought, eyes ready, hands ready. Next one is mine. I got this. When you handle mistakes with the positive language, with the tools you are working on, you build resilience. Resilience is what separates athletes who quit from athletes like you that are going to elevate. Now, I believe in you. It's time for you to believe in yourself. How do you do that? You practice daily the mindset rituals. You do visualizations. You breathe. And you use your 3R reset routine. Make sure you continue to do those. Now, it's time for you to answer the journal prompts. Do it in your journal, on the app, or in our community, because we are here to support you and to elevate you. Get after it.